Hey, this is Amit Chaudhary from Event Support. I'm going to show you how to connect Business Central connections using the service-to-service authentication. So basically, the service-to-service authentication is suited for the scenario where the integrations are required to run without any user intervention. Like service-to-service authentication uses the client credentials OAuth 2.0 flow. So this flow will enable you to access the resources by using the identity of the application. So likely if I show you like how it is, right? Like in the service to service authentication, this is a Microsoft page can show you like how you can get to that connected using the app, using the O authorization token. Okay, so basically this is like we can go through and we can create like a connections and the user ID through the Microsoft Intra tenant. Okay, and this is like a quite procedures, like how can they mainly like it involve that these are the two permissions we needed. Okay, so in the page, if you go to this article that we have been showing you like how to connect the Business Central using the O authorization token, the procedures are same. Okay, and this is about like creating the token for your Business Central instant. Okay, and basically you have to go to the portal.azure and go to here. I'll put it like here, manage info ID. I'll go here on left hand side app registration. I'll click on the new one, so it will create like an instance for you. But I'll show you like the one that I already created. Okay, so basically here, like once you click on that create, right, it will create like a client ID, tenant ID, and if you redirect to that URL, like here, this is a URL session. Like if you go to here, this is like you need to put the redirected URL. This is for the SmartConnect on premises, and the below one is for the .com based upon your reasons, like the app.smartconnect.com. Okay, you can get the more information from here. Likely what should be my even redirected URL. So this is the same URL I need to use it and put it here. Okay, then all like other procedures like from step 1 to step 2 is about creating that, like adding the URL and registering it, and then click on that certificate and secret. You need to create your secret keys over here, certificate and secret keys. This is my secret key. This has been hiding. This is only coming at the one time. So in order to do that one, you need to click on the new client secret IDs, give the name like app, SmartConnect app, how much month or how many duration that you want to create that, and expand that key. So I'll choose like custom or 24 months and add it. It will create a key for you. Okay, and you need to copy that value and save it somewhere in the notepad or any editor. We needed that to be later. Okay, and if you go to the API sessions, API permissions, so basically this is like financial.read and write. You can add it, and the user in okay, along that one we need like two more permissions added. Like we need it for the infra ID, which is api.readwrite.all, automation.readwrite.all. okay, that's the same thing that they have been recommended here by the Microsoft. Okay, so to grant that one, you need to contact your admin, okay, to get it approved or granted for your organization. Okay, and once this is admin consents required, you can hit it, like select and hit that admin grant access, get that approval from your admin to get the consents. Other tools like the financial.readandwrite.all doesn't need it. So in order to do that one, you need to click on that add permission. You can here like find out the business central, and here in the delegated permissions, you can find it your both, and in the application you can find it like api.readwrite.org. Add it, it will come in here and get it approved by your admin. Okay, that's it. That is from the portal.azure. Now I'll go to the SmartConnect, and I will go to and click on the create, and I'll choose like Dynamics 365 Business Central OData. I open it. Okay, I'll give the like DC sandbox paste and URL. I'll copy the URL. I'll give the URL. Okay, so basically this is nothing but like api.businesscentral.dynamics.com and /v2. This is your tenant ID, and this is your environment name, and /odata v4. How do you know it? Like if you go to the Business Central, if you go to here help and support, you will get to know the name. Like this is your tenant ID, you can copy, and this is your environment, like the sandbox_test that I have it. Okay, so then what should be my tenant ID? This should be like, if I go here, this is my tenant ID. I'll copy this, copy it, put it here. Client ID, this is my client ID. Okay, secret IDs, I'll copy it from here. This is my secret ID and it will be hide. So I'll copy it. Okay, and you can see the checkbox which is called as a use service authentication. I'll check that one and I'll get the token. Okay, then now I need to go to this Business Central, and I'll go to that Intra ID, Microsoft Intra application, and here I'm going to create like a user of that. So what should be my client ID? I'll copy the client ID. Okay, this is my client ID. Okay, I'll copy and paste, and I'll give the description like say SmartConnect connection to 1. Okay, I'll enable it. So once it is enabled, you need to give the permission. So now if you put like a super that we normally use to give it, it won't. It is here. Okay, it shows you like you cannot give the super permissions. Okay, so for that alternatives, you need to give the permissions like D365, which is full access. You don't need to select any. That's it. Okay, that this is also like a super permission that you need to grant it and get it through. So this will actually create a user under the user session for that client ID. And once this is done, that's it. From here you can see it under here. This is enable. Then now I'll go to that default company. If I browse it, I can see, yep, I'll get the token. Take some time. Save it. Let me save it. Yep, it is saved now. Let me try now. Yep, I can see my list of all the companies that I have access, and I can see it. And this is my custom APIs, and I can get it. I can share my connections. Thank you.